Hello, we have a new question. 3 divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Similarly, this 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. And we have deviant between them. So 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, which is our answer. But remember that this is wrong. We didn't follow the order of operation. Now we solve the same question by obeying order of operation. And this question has only deviant, so we have to move from left to right. First of all, we have to solve this one. So 3 divided by 3 will be equal to 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Now we will solve this one because we have to move from left to right. So 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 divided by 3 divided by 3. Again, we have deviant between two numbers. So now we apply CCF, copy it. Yes, deviant is changed into multiplication, and 3 is inverted, or we take reciprocal of 3. So it will be 1 by 3. No, 1 times 1 is equal to 1, and 3 times 3 will be equal to 9. Hence 1 by 9 will be our answer. I request you to follow my channel. Thank you.